Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm here for metalhandrails.net and ZatolaFab.com, and we partner together to sell the EZ-Rail products, which we build right here in the Pittsburgh area. And today we want to show you wall rail installation. And why we're here at this particular home today, if you notice, take a look at these steps, and the key measurement that we always ask for from you as a customer is the nose to nose. That's from the nosing of the bottom step to the nosing of the landing. And what you want to do when you're ordering your rail, a wall rail, is you want to take that nosing and go 1 foot larger. But if you notice here, we have a wooden rail in place and it's only 48 inches. So that doesn't even cover the distance of the nose to nose. A couple things to keep in mind. If your wall area is too short, you're not going to want to have a foot longer rail because you'll be sticking out past the ends. In that case, just measure the distance of the wall that you have and get the largest rail that will fit your area. The other thing I want to point out today is the different types of anchors that are available for different projects. And I'll show you the 3 types that I brought in today. Now obviously this is a lag bolt, lag screw, and most people are very familiar with it. It's 5/16 by 2.5 inches. And if you know you're going to be hitting a wood stud or wood blocking or just a solid wooden wall, then this is going to be the perfect thing for you to use. It's easy, it's very cost effective. Now if you think you're going to be going into real brick or block wall, we have here a sleeve anchor. And what this does is you have to drill with a masonry bit 5/16, and this is 2.5 inches long. Once you drill the hole, you insert through the flange into the hole, the mounting bracket, into the wall, and then you use your ratchet to draw this up. And there's a wedge on the end, and it causes the sleeve to wedge into the block. The third type of anchor I'm going to show you is something you're going to use a lot in interior projects. Whenever you have drywall or any kind of hollow wall, which the other anchors aren't going to support, this anchor will. And they're rated up to 250 pounds, so they're very strong, much stronger than people think. And what you do in this case is you have to drill a 1/2 inch hole, and then you insert this metal channel ear flange, use it, and you have a plastic zip tie attached, insert through the wall, then you straighten it out like this, and then this little piece will zip up to the wall, and then once you have that firmly there, these tabs break off, and then you just screw a bolt such as this into place. Okay, we've determined that this is not brick, but rather brick veneer, and this is a hollow drywall behind here. So we're going to be using our zip tie bolts to mount this railing today. And I have here the EZ-Rail, and we've pre-painted it for this demonstration. And what we want to do is we're going to mount this so that the railing is a consistent 2'10" above the nosing of the treads. So at each place it's going to be 2'10" above. Okay, now we've marked our 2 points off, 2'10" off the nosing, and then I'm just using a snap line to lightly mark this area so we can clean that off later. Now what we've done is we've lined up the edge of this rail parallel to the chalk line that we snapped earlier, and then I want to mark each of the 2 holes where the bracket is and where that is going to go. Okay, so we have our holes located, and since this is a hollow wall, I'm using, see, now that's firm. firmly in place. Snap it off. Okay, now we've attached the top, and all I have to do is swing this up. All right, so once you get your hardware in there, tighten it down, you're good, you're done. And all you have to do is clean up and enjoy the safety and the beauty of your EZ-Rail. Okay, we're just gonna go over this step by step again, what we did, which is we removed the old rail. We used our measuring tape, came up 2'10" from that nosing to 2'10" from the landing. We then snapped a chalk line, held this railing up, marked and located our holes where those brackets are. We drilled the holes. In this case, it's a hollow wall back there. So we used our zip tie anchors. And then once that was done, we just anchored the brackets into the wall and we're finished. Very easy.